Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can grow a white oak sapling from acorn like I have here, and I'm going to show you guys how to do every single step so you can do it at home and hopefully get nice healthy saplings like I have here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. First step in growing a white oak tree from seed is going to be to collect the acorns. And right now it is the fall time and it is actually early October, and this tree is full of acorns. They're all up in the canopy still. There's not that many on the ground. It's not that, oh, one just fell over there, but it's actually not that time yet for all the acorns to fall. It's just beginning. So a lot of them are still up in the canopy. But guys, the first step is going to be, of course, to collect, around, I'd say 20, depending on how many you want to grow. But also, guys, an easy way to identify that this is a white oak tree is by its leaves. Most oak trees all have the same leaf style, and these have rounded tops, which is how you know it's a white oak tree. But guys, yeah, that's going to be the first step. Just remember to collect a couple acorns, and after that, we'll move on to the next step. Okay, guys, now that we have collected our white oak tree acorns, and these are actually going to be a Burr oak acorn, what we're going to do is put them through the water test. And this is just simply taking all of the acorns and putting them in a bowl of water. And what we're going to be observing and looking for is any acorns that float to the top. And what we're really looking for is the acorns that sink to the bottom, because the acorns that sink to the bottom are going to be the ones that do not have any wormholes in them, don't have any mold or fungus in the inside, and they're looking really healthy. And out of these white oaks, guys, it looks like we only have 2 that are actually bad. So this means that all these acorns sitting at the bottom are actually healthy and they're full and they're ready to be planted. And now a white oak species does not have to go through stratification, guys. So instead of taking these guys and putting them through like a dormant period of, like cold weather, either putting them in a bag and putting them in the fridge or leaving them outside, covered up, they don't need that. They don't need that in order to root. These actually can be rooted, right as they are, which is amazing. So what we're going to do, guys, is move on to the next step, which is going to be potting these and actually growing these as they are right now. Okay guys, now that we have our selected and confirmed through the water test acorns for our white oak tree, which is actually our Burr oak, what we're going to do is focus on planting it. And guys, another step you could do before this would be to put these acorns through germination. And that involves, wrapping them in a damp paper towel, putting them in a little plastic container and putting them, somewhere dark for, say a couple days, whatever it is, till they root out. That you can do that, and that can ensure better success. But these acorns are fresh. I can tell by, I just picked these, a day ago off of the tree. They weren't even on the ground. So I know they're healthy, so I'm not actually going to do that step. And it's not really necessary when you have a high return rate, and these acorns in this species of tree, they do. So I'm not that concerned. But to begin, guys, what I'm going to do is actually just take the acorn, and instead of placing it downward in the ground like that with the top part up, I find that it's actually better just to place the acorn in like that on its side. And after you do that, guys, all you're going to do is just simply cover it up, and I'm barely covering it up. I'm not really burying it that low in my pot. And now after I do this, guys, honestly, that's it. This is, now it's planted, and it should sprout within, I'd say a week. It can take a couple of days for some. It just depends, honestly. All the acorns are different. So what we're going to do now is we're going to continue to do this with the rest of our white oaks, and I'm going to actually be planting 4. Okay, guys, now what I'm going to do is actually put this in my grow room I have, in my house. So they're actually going under some LED lights, so they're going to be, monitored and nice. But what you could do is put it in a windowsill. Since it is fall time, when you collect these and plant these, it is going to be, getting colder. So you're not going to put it outside because it's going to just winter's coming. But you could just put it in a windowsill, so like that. And if you got, you can buy some light bulbs, honestly, at like Lowe's that are actually regulated to grow plants underneath. So you'd be okay. But so what I'm going to do, guys, is wait a couple of days and give you guys an update once this oak tree has sprouted and what it's looking like. Okay, guys, this is an update video on the white oak trees. And guys, it has been around, I'd say 2.5 weeks. And, these are looking beautiful. We have one that hasn't sprouted. It might be a dud of an acorn, or it might just take a long time. It did take 2.5 weeks for these guys to sprout. These guys sprouted up just in the last week. So, around 2 weeks, if not a little longer, maybe over a month. But these guys are looking great, phenomenal. We got leaves starting to spread out. And guys, where it is by me as the time of filming this video, it is November. So, these are white oaks. They don't have to go through stratification, like I said. So, they're looking really good, guys. This is just an update. I will show you guys once they spread out their leaves a little more and they grow a little bit taller. But yeah, they are looking phenomenal. This is what you should be seeing within, several weeks, 2.5 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. They should be sprouting and looking like this. Okay, guys, it's been around another month and a half since that last clip, and these are the 2 remaining white oak saplings that I have for you guys. I ended up losing one, it dried out, and the one that did not sprout in the previous clip ended up not sprouting at all. It must have just been a bad acorn. That's no problem. You got to expect some loss when you're dealing with, tree saplings and especially little seedlings. these are looking really healthy, guys. You know, great leaves. Their leaves are spreading out, you know, very well, very rich green. Actually got to water them. It's been a little while, but I mean, yeah, the stems are, you know, nice. They're starting to thicken up a little bit, get a little harder, which is fantastic. You know, I hope this video has been really beneficial, guys, and I really encourage anybody to try it if you have white oaks in your region. Just make sure that you are getting the correct acorn and the correct species of tree. But other than that, guys, you know, it's real simple. I hope the video was very beneficial, and, you know, don't be intimidated to try it, because, you know, these are beautiful trees and they'll grow to be massive if taken care of. The next step for these guys is going to be to transplant them into a larger pot, and by the time I do that, it should be springtime here in Tennessee, so they're going to grow and continue to do well. So I hope this video has been beneficial, guys, like I said again, and I'll catch you in the next one.